Rich in complete proteins, this food supplies all essential amino acids necessary for optimal muscle health and repair. Each serving delivers a highly concentrated dose of bioavailable protein that the body can rapidly absorb and utilize. Complete proteins play a fundamental role in maintaining lean muscle mass and preventing sarcopenia, a condition marked by progressive muscle wasting that compromises strength, mobility, and overall quality of life. Amino acids found in this food are vital for synthesizing new muscle fibers and repairing damaged tissue after physical activity. Unlike incomplete plant-based proteins that require careful combination to achieve a full amino acid profile, this food inherently contains the precise balance needed to trigger muscle protein synthesis efficiently. The high biological value ensures minimal waste and maximum anabolic impact, supporting both recovery and growth in older adults and those seeking to rebuild strength. Adequate intake of complete proteins has been shown to enhance nitrogen balance, a critical marker of muscle preservation. Positive nitrogen balance reflects an environment where protein creation exceeds breakdown, promoting hypertrophy and reducing the risk of age-related decline. This food's protein density supports metabolic activity, enabling muscles to regenerate and maintain function even in periods of reduced physical activity or illness. Digestibility is another advantage, allowing the amino acids to enter the bloodstream swiftly. This rapid absorption is especially important after resistance exercise when muscles are most receptive to nutrient delivery. Consuming this food consistently provides a steady supply of building blocks that counteract catabolism, preserve muscle fiber integrity, and sustain performance over time. Research has demonstrated that older adults consuming high-quality protein sources experience improvements in muscle strength, mass, and functional capacity. The inclusion of complete proteins from this food has been linked to reduced frailty and improved independence in daily activities. Rich protein content also supports the production of enzymes and hormones essential for tissue regeneration and immune defense. Regular consumption contributes to satiety, assisting with weight management that indirectly supports joint health and mobility. This protein-rich profile offers a reliable, effective strategy to mitigate sarcopenia's impact, rebuild lost muscle, and protect long-term health. High in leucine, this food provides a powerful stimulus for muscle protein synthesis, the process that builds and repairs muscle tissue. Leucine is the most critical branch-chain amino acid for activating the mTOR pathway, a cellular signaling mechanism that governs muscle growth. When adequate leucine is present, mTOR triggers anabolic activity, leading to faster recovery and greater gains in muscle mass. Leucine's unique ability to act as a metabolic switch sets it apart from other amino acids. Even in small amounts, it stimulates muscle cells to absorb and utilize other essential amino acids more efficiently. This enhanced uptake supports the creation of new contractile proteins that strengthen muscle fibers and improve overall performance. Consuming leucine-rich foods is especially important for older adults who experience anabolic resistance, a blunted response to protein intake that accelerates sarcopenia. Studies have shown that diets high in leucine significantly improve muscle strength, power, and endurance over time. This amino acid helps preserve lean tissue during calorie restriction or illness by reducing the rate of muscle breakdown. Regular intake helps maintain a positive protein balance, essential for combating age-related muscle loss and ensuring continued mobility and independence. Leucine also plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels and supporting metabolic health. By stimulating insulin release, it enhances nutrient delivery to muscle cells, where glucose and amino acids are stored and used for recovery and energy production. This dual action not only protects muscle mass, but also supports stable energy levels throughout the day. Digestibility and absorption are additional advantages of this leucine-rich food. The amino acid reaches the bloodstream rapidly, making it ideal to consume after exercise when the body is primed for repair. The quick delivery supports immediate activation of protein synthesis, reducing soreness and preparing muscles for the next bout of activity. Including leucine-rich sources in daily meals can help counteract anabolic decline, rebuild muscle faster, and enhance functional strength. This nutrient profile also supports the production of enzymes, hormones, and immune factors necessary for tissue regeneration. For anyone aiming to prevent sarcopenia and preserve vitality, A steady supply of leucine offers a proven practical solution to promote long-term muscle health and resilience. Packed with bioavailable nutrients, this food delivers an exceptional combination of vitamins, minerals, and cofactors that directly support muscle preservation and repair. Bioavailability refers to the body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients efficiently, ensuring that every serving contributes measurable benefits to muscle health. This food provides highly absorbable forms of key nutrients such as vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play essential roles in maintaining muscle strength and function. Vitamin D regulates calcium balance and supports muscle contraction. Adequate levels of vitamin D have been shown to improve muscle performance and reduce the risk of falls in older adults. Magnesium is another crucial component, participating in hundreds of biochemical reactions, including energy production, protein synthesis, and muscle relaxation. When these nutrients are readily bioavailable, muscles can function optimally without the inefficiencies caused by poor absorption. Zinc contributes to cellular repair and protein metabolism, enabling muscle fibers to recover faster after exertion or injury. It also supports the immune system, reducing the inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown. B vitamins in this food enhance energy metabolism and aid in the formation of red blood cells, which deliver oxygen to working muscles. Consistent intake ensures that muscle cells receive the nutrients required to maintain strength, coordination, and endurance. The superior nutrient profile helps preserve lean tissue during periods of stress, illness, or reduced activity. Unlike highly processed foods that contain synthetic additives with limited absorption, this food provides naturally occurring micronutrients in forms the body can recognize and use effectively. This difference in bioavailability translates into greater muscle retention and faster recovery. Combining bioavailable nutrients with high-quality protein amplifies the impact on muscle regeneration. These micronutrients act as cofactors that support the enzymatic processes driving muscle repair. For example, magnesium and vitamin B6 are necessary to convert amino acids into new muscle proteins. Zinc is involved in DNA synthesis, a process critical for generating new muscle cells. Research shows that diets rich in bioavailable nutrients significantly reduce the risk of sarcopenia and frailty. By supplying all the elements needed for muscle metabolism, this food helps sustain mobility, strength, and independence across the lifespan. Regular consumption not only rebuilds lost muscle, but also strengthens overall resilience, supporting active living and long-term health. Anti-inflammatory benefits of this food play a critical role in preserving muscle mass and countering the progression of sarcopenia. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of muscle breakdown, accelerating protein loss and weakening the body's ability to repair. This food contains a rich profile of natural compounds that help regulate inflammatory processes, reducing oxidative stress and protecting muscle fibers from damage over time. One of the key components responsible for these effects is a group of antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. When left unchecked, free radicals damage cellular structures, including muscle cells, leading to deterioration and loss of function. The antioxidants in this food stabilize these reactive molecules, preventing them from triggering inflammatory cascades that erode strength and mobility. Additionally, this food supplies essential fatty acids that support the production of anti-inflammatory molecules within the body. These healthy fats help balance the immune response, lowering levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines that contribute to muscle waste. This modulation of inflammation has been shown to improve recovery after exercise, reduce soreness, and enhance muscle regeneration. Bioactive compounds such as polyphenols and flavonoids further enhance these protective effects. These plant-based molecules interrupt pathways that cause chronic low-grade inflammation, which is especially harmful in aging adults. Regular intake of this food has been linked to improved muscle function, higher endurance, and lower risk of degenerative conditions linked to inflammation. Another important benefit comes from minerals like magnesium and zinc, which help regulate immune system activity and maintain muscle health. Magnesium contributes to controlling the release of inflammatory mediators, while zinc assists in repairing damaged tissue and supporting cellular defenses. Together, these nutrients create an environment where muscles can recover more effectively and remain resilient against age-related decline. The anti-inflammatory properties also extend to improve circulation. ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach muscle tissue efficiently. Enhanced blood flow supports faster removal of metabolic waste products that can irritate and inflame muscle fibers after exertion. With less inflammation, muscles are better able to repair, grow, and maintain strength. Consistent consumption of this food delivers a natural strategy to reduce inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and sustain performance. By targeting the root causes of sarcopenia, its anti-inflammatory benefits offer a proven way to rebuild lost muscle, support recovery, and promote long-term health and independence.